Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials: what GPU you have, which driver version, and the OS build. Once done, disable Secure Boot if required and verify BIOS settings so the card can initialize. Make sure power connectors and PCIe seating are correct. Poor contact often causes initialization failures. Next, stop GPU using services and boot into safe mode to avoid driver conflicts. Collect the error logs now, because they tell you which step failed and guide the next actions. You need to remove and reinstall drivers methodically. Use the on Windows or the package manager on Linux to purge remnants. Once cleared, install the correct vendor driver that matches your current kernel. If you use a custom kernel, rebuild kernel modules so they align. After installation, inspect kernel messages with dmesc and verify the module is loaded. Also review X or Wayland logs. If modules fail to load, that mismatch is usually the cause. So rebuild or switch to the supported kernel. Reboot into normal mode and check that the GPU is detected, then run a lightweight benchmark to confirm functionality. If it still fails, roll back to a previous stable driver, try a different PCIe slot or PSU, and swap display cables to eliminate connection issues. Finally, use safe mode logs and vendor diagnostics to decide if it's hardware versus software. If diagnostics point to hardware, you'll need RMA or component replacement. If software, repeat the driver module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.